Kamehameha! Hi! Unbox naman natin itong na-score ko dun sa Tamashii Nations na pop-up store. Ito talaga yung prayo ko. May brown box kasi P-Bandai siya. Open natin. Nabuksan ko na yung brown box kasi chinek ko kung okay ba yung itsura ng figure. Yun o. Yun. Ito yung SHF na Gogeta. Ito yung box. Yan yung front, side, top, bottom, back, and yung different poses, pati yung mga promotional shots. Open na natin. Ito na yung figure. Open natin. Ganda. Kuhain natin yung figure. Here's the figure out of the box. Solid. Ganda. Smell check. Bango. Ganda nito. Alisin natin. Meron siyang kasamang halo. Lagay natin. Here's Gogeta with his halo. Ganda oh. Solid. Ito yung alt na faceplate niya. Yung naka-smirk. Ito naman yung angry. Ito yung shouting. Hands. Alt hands. Another one. Open palm. Pointing hand. Pose natin. Fighting stance pose. Da. Hangas oh. Solid tong figure na to. Ganda. That's all. Peace. Thumbs up. Follow for more.